everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your BeReal public. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by tapping open your BeReal application and make sure that you are logged in. Once you're done opening up your BeReal account, you'll be asked to take your BeReal. A BeReal post is only allowed once a day. You can provide a snapshot of whatever you are doing by tapping on Take Your BeReal button and click the picture by tapping on the shutter icon at the bottom of the screen. In order to make your BeReal public, once you click a picture, tap on My Friends Only option at the bottom left. Now, tap on Discovery from the options displayed. Soon after you do that, you can now tap on the Send button and you'll be able to make your BeReal public. That is how you can create a public post on BeReal. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.